guys, what's up? Today we're gonna talk about the India's two most selling cars, Kia Seltos and the Hyundai Creta 2020. So let's get started. Kia Seltos and the Hyundai Creta are currently two of the highest selling SUVs in the entire country and have a lot in common between them. The first gen Hyundai Creta was the undisputed king of the mid-size SUV segment in the country, but then the Kia Seltos arrived last year and made things difficult for the former. The Seltos ended up becoming the best-selling mid-size SUV in the segment until Hyundai brought in the second generation version of the Creta earlier this year to make things all square. Talking about the two cars, the Seltos and the Creta are based on the same platform and get the same set of powertrains. While the two mid-size SUVs are identical underneath, they are two different cars on the outside. Here is the list of all differences between the 2020 Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos as well as the price. In terms of design, the Kia Seltos ticks all the boxes. It looks like a proper SUV and the proportions seem to be right. At the front, the car gets Kia Tiger nose grille flanked by slim LED headlamps. The turn indicators are placed just under the headlamps while the fog lamps are vertically stacked. At the rear, the Seltos features wraparound LED lights which are connected together with chrome strip that houses the Kia logo. The car gets a fog skid plate as well as a chrome strip at the bottom of the rear bumper that is shaped to look like it gets dual exhaust. The Creta on the other hand is built in Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design. Hence, it gets a large cascading grille up front along with the split LED headlamps that come with LED DRLs. The square wheel arches makes it look muscular, but the alloys looks like a little too big. The two-piece design of the headlamp has been carried over to the tail lamps as well. But the Creta also gets a large LED brake light placed in the middle of the boot lid, and the Creta badging has been placed under the Hyundai emblem. Unlike the Seltos, Fox dual exhaust treatment, the turbo variants of the Creta actually come with twin exhaust tips. As against the Seltos conventional design, the Creta's bold styling creates a divided opinion. You either hate it or you have to love it, but you surely can't ignore it. In terms of dimensions, the Kia Seltos measures 4315 mm in length, 1800 mm in width, and 1620 mm in height, and has a 2610 mm longer wheelbase in comparison to Hyundai Creta, which is having a longer wheelbase of 4300 mm, 1990 mm width and 1635 mm tall, while it gets the same wheelbase as the Seltos. This makes the Seltos 15 mm longer, 10 mm wider and yet 15 mm shorter than the Creta. Both the SUVs come with 433 liters of boot space. Features. If we talk about the features, both the new generation Hyundai Creta as well as the Kia Seltos are loaded up with the brim with similar features with new differences to set the two cars apart. The 2020 Creta misses out on some features like multicolor ambient lighting, blind view monitor, head-up display, front parking sensors, as well as the 360-degree camera, all of which are offered with the Seltos. On the other hand, Creta 1 ups the Seltos with the features like a larger panoramic sunroof, which is voice controlled, and electrical parking, brake parking with auto head function, paddle shifters which are DCT only, remote engine start with manual trims, puddle lamps with welcome function, and the rear seat headrest cushions. So if we talk about the price comparison, Kia retails with ST line petrol variants of the Seltos at a starting price of 9.89 lakh, going all the way up to 14.34 lakh. On the other hand, the Creta 1.5 petrol starts from 9.99 lakh and goes up to rupees 16.15 lakhs. These prices are all prices ex showroom prices for the top and IVT auto variant. Moreover, if we talk about the 1.4 liter turbocharged petrol engine which is available with two trims on the Creta, that is SX and SXO, priced at 16.16 lakh and rupees 17.20 lakh respectively. Both variants can be had with a 7-speed DCT auto gearbox only, while Kia additionally offers the 1.4 liter TJDI engine with a 6-speed manual speed transmission as well as. So lastly, the Kia Seltos GT line turbo petrol variants are priced between the rupees 15.54 lakh to 17.34 lakhs. You might have liked my video. If yes, then do like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.